Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that your iCloud backup gonna fail and not enough iCloud storage. So how you can resolve that issue in your iPhone or your iPad. So follow all the steps I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. Simply just follow. The first step is that simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. After that, just going to the settings and just going to the Apple ID. Just click on the Apple ID and just going to the iCloud. Sorry for that. Just click on iCloud and just click on that and just scroll it down and see the option of a backup. I'm gonna tell you again. Just going to the iCloud, going to the that section and just click down, scroll it down and the option of a backups. Just click on that and here you just have to just remove that phone from your iCloud. After removing your backup from that iCloud, just going back. And the third step is that delete all iCloud backups. So you have to delete your all iCloud backups. Simply just have to just going to the gain iCloud. I'm gonna in iCloud or not. So I'm gonna gain iCloud. So as you know that I recently doing that. I also delete the my iCloud backup from my iPhone. Just like that, I'm gonna delete it from that. After deleting that iPhone from my iCloud, we have to just third solution is that reduce backup size. So you have to just remove and from the iCloud backups you just have to just turn off apps which you want to not use. Just like that, I'm going to select like that, click on that and see that my apps taking the storage just like that, WhatsApp and the other things I want to turn off. So simply just going back again and just again iCloud and just click on that, see and see that it's turned it on. So if you're not using right now, just like that, you're just not using the health app, you're not using your notes, you're not using your iCloud calendar, many things, many apps, so you just have to turn it on off from there. And the fourth solution is that you just have to just optimize your photos in storage. So you just have to just go into the settings of your iPhone again, just like the main interface and just going to the photos. If you don't find, don't worry, simply just search on the search bar and just search photos and just going to the photos and see the you just have to just tick on the optimize iPhone storage and also delete the photos in the recently deleted section. After that, after that, the fifth step is that you just upgrade your iCloud storage. If you want to upgrade to the iCloud storage, just like that, the iCloud storage from the Apple is 5 GB. So if you want to upgrade to the 50 GB, 200 GB, you just have to just going to the again iCloud, Apple ID, iCloud, and see the option of advanced get more storage. So if you find that option, just click on that get more storage and you just upgrade from here just like that, 50 GB, 200 per month, 200 GB, 800 per month, just like that. After upgrading your cloud iCloud storage, if you want, then that good. And the last step is that you just have to just back up your all the data using your computer. Just like that, you just have to just connect your iPhone with the laptop and just install the iTunes and just back up your data to the laptop using the iTunes and just delete the data from your iPhone and after backup in the computer. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.